Welcome to the quick tutorial of pviapins.com. pviapins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go pviapins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account. If not, just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the Create Account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Today, we will learn how to create and verify a Chime account with a virtual phone number via pviapins. First we have to visit chime.com. Entering the site, we will see an interface like this. Since we have no Chime account, so we need to click the Get Started button. Verify that we are not robot. Enter first and last name and need a phone number. Now return to pviapins and search here any country. Select the country. Type Chime in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Take this number and use it to open Chime account. If it needed verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with pviapins. Stay tuned for more updates.